All right, this topic is about finding perimeter involving rectangles and circles. So when we're finding perimeter of any shape, we just have to count up all the sides around the outside. So when they're giving us like a circle that's attached to a rectangle, we really have half a circle here. So the outside, we only have 3 sides of the rectangle. So we're going to add 24, 14, and 24. We're going to not do the 4th side because that's actually half a circle. So when we're finding the circumference of a circle, we take the diameter and we times it by pi. They're going to have us do, okay, they're having us do an approximation for pi. You guys remember this, that 3.14 does not equal pi. This is very important. It is only an approximation. So we're going to find the entire circumference and then we're going to divide it by 2. Here's what I do. Instead of doing the entire circumference, I just take half of the diameter. So I just do radius times pi. Okay, check this out. I got a new pen. This is awesome. So I'm just going to do that this length right here is just equal to radius times pi. So I can do 7 times 3.14. So in this case, they get 21.98 is the amount of that little half circle. Okay, so we're just doing half of the circumference. So if you want to do diameter times pi and then divide by 2, you're totally okay to do that. That's what they did here. Then they're going to take those 3 sides and add it to that half circle. So let's do a bunch of examples. I've got evidently to do at least 3 to pass this off. Boom. My new pen. It's awesome. Okay. Oh, look, we have 2 half circles on here. Sweet. So we don't even have to cut it in half. We can just do diameter times pi, and then we're going to add 89 twice. Okay. So the diameter is 61. That's a pi. 61 times 3.14 plus 2 times 89. All right, so let's come over here to Desmos to add all of our stuff together. All right, we're gonna do 61 times 3.14. Now this, again, this does not equal pi. You must always, always, always remember that. Plus, I'll just do 89 plus 89. So case that times 2 bugs you a little bit. So I have to remember 360. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write it down so I don't have to remember. So it's 369.54 hundredths. I'm going to come over here and I get 369 and 54 hundredths. Uh-oh. We have to remember our label is always just in units. Just a single unit. So we don't have to do squared or anything. Okay, so that's that. And we're gonna delete all these drawings and go to the next problem. Oh, okay. This is so cool that they're doing this for us. So then I can explain all of these. So this is a half circle cut out. But we're still, when we do, it's still the length of the half circle. That's still on the outside here. So we're going to do 35 plus 35 plus 23. So that's these 3 sides. Then we're going to add the radius times pi. Or you can do diameter times pi divided by 2. But I'm just going to divide the radius by 2. Check it out. They don't label the radius, but we know this length is the same as the 23. So the diameter is 23. So the radius is half of that, or 11.5 times 3.14. So we're going to do 35 plus 35 plus 23 plus this. Okay, so we're going to come over here to Desmos, and we're going to do 35 plus 35 plus 23 plus 11.5 times 3.14. Oh boy, I can't see this. Okay, let's do a little erasing here. We don't want to do that. Okay. Boom. Okay. So we have, wait, we don't want to erase. We want to actually, wait, how do I? Remember 129 and 1100. Go back to Alex. Can't forget our label. Boom. Check it. And we're going to erase everything and do one more example. This is like the example that when they were telling us how to do it before. Whoa, that might be the exact same example. Huh, okay. So this is what we're going to do. Let's pick a different color for fun. Great. Okay, so we have 24 plus 34 plus 34. P.S. Again, the diameter is the same distance as this one. So I'm just going to take the radius, 12 times 3.14. I'll write my answer there. I want to get back from Desmos. Where is it? Here we go. Okay, my finger keeps covering up the camera. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, 24 plus 34 plus 34 plus 12 times 3.14, which is an approximation, 129 6800ths. Okay, now I can't forget our label because that would be the worst for us, which just gives us more practice. More problems. Feet. So 129 and 6900 feet, and we didn't pass it off. What did I do? Okay, come back. So do not round your answer. Be sure to collect the correct unit. What did I do? 24 plus 34 plus 44, 3.14. 12 is half of 24. I don't know what I did. Let me see, 129.68. I've typed in 129.69. Can you believe it? Come on, you guys never do that, right? Type in the wrong number. There we go. I can do one more for y'all's. Be awesome if you had some of these as your problems, right? That probably is so cool when that happens. Okay. Here we go. We're going to change to light blue. So in this case, we're going to do the full circle because it'll do half here and half there. If you were to just put those together, you get the full circle. So we'll do 92 plus 92 plus. In this case, we're going to do the full diameter, 64 times 3.14. And we're going to come over and add that in. Oh, yeah. 92 plus 92 plus 64 times 3.14. Okay, gotta write this correctly. Oops, go to writing. 384.96, and then be sure to type it incorrectly so we don't do that again. This is amazing, and we need our label. Typed it all correctly, boom, boom, check it, there we go. We pass off the top, guess we did. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end the lesson. Good job, thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this topic.